G'day, I'm Paul. It is time to go drag racing with the most random pairing you are ever going to see. It is the new Zeekr 009. This is a fully electric luxury people mover against the Japanese luxury people mover that is a hybrid. It is the Lexus LM. Elbows, before I reveal to you what is powering this thing, how about you tell me what's going on over there?
Well, this has got a 2.4 litre four-cylinder turbocharged engine with an electric motor on the front and rear axle for about 272 kilowatts of total power and a lot of torque. They won't give us the total torque figure because it's quite hard to put together, but it is actually really, really quick. Although, I gotta say, that thing looks fast, just standing still.
No, this isn't all that quick. It only makes 450 kilowatts of power. And just under 700 newton meters of torque. So this is fully electric, front and rear motors. And this isn't even the fast version. In China, they have one that's even quicker than this. So hopefully that thing is quick, because the only thing you'll be able to do with it after this is watch the TV in the back. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to do a quarter mile drag race. We're going to come back and do a roll race as well. And then at the end, I'm going to set some times across the quarter mile and be quiet so you can hear the drivetrains, which in this will be incredibly quiet. And then over there, it will make some noise. Big shout out to our mate Lawrence, who has helped us with the car over there and more of the other cars in this drag racing series as well. But let's get cracking. Go for it, Megan.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, he cheated a little bit there.
Come on, baby, come on, come on. Ah, wow.
Bye now.
Oh my God.
That thing was surprisingly quick.
I am so slow.
But not quite quick enough. This is absolutely hosing him.
I think he's meant to get a coffee, and I'm still driving.
Oh, dearie.
That was embarrassing.
I never thought drag racing vans would be this much fun.
Have you noticed that I always get the slowest car in these videos?
Hey, that's not my fault, mate. You got to do a little bit better. You work harder in life and you might end up with the nicer things. Funnily enough, this is like, I think this is about 170 grand. Yours is well over $200,000.
Yes, I also jumped the start as much as I could without making it look ridiculous, and I still lost.
Exactly. So let's go back and do a roll race. We'll see if you have any more luck there. Okay, so now we're going to do some roll racing. We're basically going to accelerate up to about 50 k's an hour, and cameraman Igor over there is going to drop his hat, and then we're going to shoot off across to the end. And just a fun fact, Elbows, this weighs around 3 tons. It is a whopper of a thing. How much is yours?
This is about 2.5 tons, just under, but I think the power to weight ratio is still well and truly in your favor.
It is. Speaking of that, I'm just going to quickly pop my massage seats on as well.
Gotta tell you, I really like the look of that car. It's super futuristic, and even the wheels look epic.
It does look unreal. It's just like a spaceship. It's so cool. Okay, my seat massage is going. Right, Elbows, let's do it.
All right, I'm gonna win this roll race.
He has the powerful version of that hybrid as well from the Lexus range.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
And not quite powerful enough though. Oh, actually,
Come on. Come on, man. Let me win something.
Definitely not. As it starts raining.
This is more embarrassing than high school.
But there we go. Sadly, short of rocket thrusting, I don't think there's much of a chance you're going to ever win any of these drag races.
You know what? Given your 500 kilogram weight disadvantage but double the horsepower, why don't we actually load that car up with some people and see if he can still beat me?
Here we go. He's always looking for excuses, but because I'm very confident in my abilities, let's do that. We're going to get some of the crew in, and then we will see you at the finish line. We can open the caviar and wait for you. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're fully loaded in here. We have mullets, we have girls, we have boys. It is all good. I've got, I weigh 75 kilos, and then these guys adding all their weight. Just kidding. You did look a little confused there. So let's see how much of a difference it makes, because we've added a lot of weight to this. So yes. All right, Megan, given you're in the car now, do you want to count us down?
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Ready? Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he cheated. The typical cheater. But that's fine. We will just give me a wave on the way through. Bye now.
Come on, baby. Oh yes, I'm winning. Oh yes, I'm winning. Oh no, I'm not winning.
Come on, go faster. Okay, so adding a lot of weight has made absolutely no difference to how much he gets slaughtered.
Why am I not winning? It's got like 8 people in that freaking thing.
Oh, that was good.
Even by adding weight and cheating, I still can't win.
Alboz, I think you are comprehensively defeated. Anyway, that was good fun. What did you guys think?
It's fast.
It's fast, yeah, fine.
That fast with a massage, perfect.
Exactly.
You get used to this.
Yep, absolutely. All right, cool. We'll head back. Thank you, guys. That was good. Now, this is where I'm going to throw to the part where I'm just going to be quiet and you get to hear what these cars sound like accelerating down the quarter mile. Oh my goodness, that was so much fun. Racing vans, there you go. Big shout out to the legends over here at Wildcatchem. We are kind of in the middle of nowhere, but it is a ripper place. If you want to come here for a good meal and to check out the sights, only catch a flight to Europe from the airport. Just kidding, there's no commercial flights out of here. Just come and visit the guys here. If you do want to see the other videos we have coming up in this drag race series, make sure you subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, you'll get notified when they all go live. But until next time, take it easy.